Kia ora whānau. Today I'm just modifying the subframe for the yellow S13. Just going to show you how I think to do it. Yeah, see how we go. Here it is here. Steering rack goes in here, and what we're going to be doing is just cutting this out here and then cutting it somewhere here in the middle. Then we're going to be cutting out 25mm inside here and putting this in front, welding it together. So just pushing that forward, welding it together, and that's going to stop us from over centering, because I'm going to be extending LCAs, tire rods, and modifying the knuckles. So yeah, usually with those modifications you start getting over centering problems. Most people get rack spaces, but for this I thought might as well just cut and chop, because I can do it from home. So just going to chop it up and try it out. So yeah, see how we go. Start cutting her up. Didn't have a scribe, so just went and sharpened up one of the valves. Bit hoary, but that should do. Just gonna use this piece of wood. Pretty dodgy, but should do the job. Get it reasonably straight. Just putting a scribe mark with this new scribe I made. I've put one straight across. That's so that after I've cut it and cutting out this middle piece, I can line them back up so it's still centered. Now I'm just gonna use this straight piece of wood, probably the stupidest thing to use, and I'm just gonna sit it flat up against here, just drag it. But yeah, not dodgy, just hoary. Looks like a semi-straight line to me. Well, my main lines came out pretty rough, but just gonna try to get a straight line across here. It's rough as, but yeah, just gonna do a straight cut across here with the angle grinder, come up here, cut across there, cut across there, do the same on the bottom. Just gonna be cutting basically straight up there, straight from there to that hole to that hole, that hole to that hole, and then straight across there as well. This is my rough way of doing it for now, until I make like a little jig. It works, hopefully, or we'll find out. Gonna start cutting her up. Maybe like one little crooked. Should be right. Just gonna cut the rest of her off now.
Woke up feeling like a new man, Bruce Jenner style, so I pinned it down high, blowing smoke out my window, giving in an impulse when my lady gets home. See me on Nintendo Wii like we just playing Zelda all day. Don't know how to explain that I need to get high now in the game. For me, I used to blaze the weed like a basic need. Peace at my door like stay the trees. Now I only do it on the weekend.
That should be it. Both of them have gone right just under the hole on the top and also on the bottom. Got these two lines so that once I line it up, I can know where it's centered, so I don't go putting it down like that. So I'll just line these two lines up, and that's how I know that it's straight and be able to weld her in. Now I'm just going to cut just under 25mm, so just across there, and then put this up, scribe it out so that it get this exact same line as this one, and then cut her up and weld her. Gonna go across with this on just under 25mm and scribe it across. Then I'm gonna cut it out and mop this up and then scribe her out again, and should be able to weld it. I just scribed out just under 25mm and just gonna cut it off now.
Blood red, butt head forever, my bong never got called red on it. I'm on it to diagnose readaholic. That hypotonic got me hypo on it like a comment. Look, I ain't tryna write notes on it, man. I know that lines up so right. So what? It's just a song that I wrote, just a rhyme, no topic. I heard the beat was nice, thought I might float on it just for Kelston and Avondale. You come bragging about that smack around.
Got it tacked in place. I think she'd be sweet to start welding her up. I didn't record how I ended up putting these together. This connects to another sheet of metal, which is this. When you cut it, it's like two pieces basically. I just flappy disked it down, so there's just this piece down here, and then I set this on top of this part, and made sure that there's still enough room for the bolt to go straight through, and then just welded on there. If there's a fairly big gap, mind the dodgy welds, I think they might hold it. If not, I guess, yeah. Just grinded down the welds so that it's flattish, flat enough to put an extra support underneath it, because I'm just gonna weld a bit of steel under here just for extra strength, just in case the welds don't do well. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut this. This is like 1.5 mil. Just gonna cut it across so that it goes from here across to there, and then just weld both sides and she'll be right, hopefully. Kia ora whānau, straight sweating, straight hot as. I've tacked it in place. I smashed it down with a hammer just to close a few of the gaps, but that's basically it. I'm gonna weld it in soon, and yeah, hopefully go good. But it's straight hot as F, straight melting up in here. That's basically it. Hopefully nothing's going wrong with it. You don't have to put this in. I've only put it in just so I feel a bit safer in the mine. Yeah, don't think you really need it, but yeah, had some fun. Still seems straight. Some pieces to fit in there and there. Well, that's the final result of the extra piece of metal I put across. Now all I gotta do is just cut some pieces of metal, put them in there and weld them. On that side as well, just in there, and then that should be it. Make a template out of this. It's kind of got the same similar curve down the bottom. Just gonna mark it up down there and then cut this out. Do it for both sides, cut them out with this metal. Not sure how thick it is, pretty sure it's like 1.5, but yeah, get to cutting. Plate underneath, probably gonna have to cut that back a bit further too, so I can get inside there for the bolts. What are those plates on the sides? Don't judge. Yeah, ended up just welding in there because why not add a bit of strength to it. This is what holds the engine in, so just thought I'd weld a little bead across there and across there. Just finished welding it. Looks alright. I welded in those plates on the sides, on both sides, and on the bottom. And, yeah, hopefully the welding gets a bit better with time. Wasn't too hard to do. It was pretty cool to play around with. I think the next thing I'm gonna end up doing is probably maybe some LCAs and stuff. But these are some LCAs that I extended. I'll put a video up of extending LCAs soon, I guess, once I've got some LCAs to extend. And yeah, that's the final result. Hopefully get better at welding soon. But yeah, shoot. Ja.